In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your screen recorder missing on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, it can be really annoying when you can't find your screen recording area, especially when you're, trying to record something in urgency. It can be any app or, any sound or anything like that. So what you want to do is very firstly, on the top right, you want to swipe down. It's going to bring up your control panel. And as you can see, I'm actually using my screen recorder right now. And if you don't actually see it, all you want to have to do is long press in an empty area. Then it's going to show you can literally just remove any of the widgets that you have. But at the very bottom, you're going to see add a control. So I want to press add a control. And then you can search controls, or you can go, you can scroll down and stuff. You can find it under capture, but I'm going to search controls and I'm just going to type in screen recording. And as you can see, it's under display and brightness. So all I would have to do is literally have that, and I have two of them now, which obviously I don't need two of them. So I'm just going to X out of one of them, but if you don't have any, obviously put that one there. And then just press in a random blank space again, and it's going to, confirm your decision to bring it over to your control panel. Then from here, you can long press on your recording. You can choose a specific application if you want to, or you record your whole screen. So as you can see on the top, it says everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded. Enable do not disturb to prevent unexpected notifications, which is something that I do. I always have do not disturb on, usually, especially when I'm recording. And at the very bottom, you have your microphone. And right now mine's on, which is how I'm obviously recording my voice. But you can have it off if you don't want to have your microphone recorded or any of your sound in the background. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.